Oh, you're still recording? You're still recording? No. This is the SANDIA Peak Tramway, the world's longest or tallest, did it say?
Longest.
Longest. The world's longest. This is at the bottom. We're gonna go up, right the way up there, and then we're gonna climb all the way up there, and that's how far away it is from the ground. Go see Uncle Bill, see what he's doing. But that's a pretty. Hiya. Hi.
He's been calling.
Yeah.
It's over the air again.
Pittsburgh.
Anyone has any questions for me, just feel free to ask.
Wow.
Oh, bloody cactus. Just as you expect it in this part of the world. It's upset the rock.
I want to see the top of it. I'm right here, Graham. Look how cool. He's behind us. Here goes Travis.
I'm here. I'm looking.
Wow.
You got nothing like this in Pittsburgh, do they?
Oh, I like this video. It's crested view, but you have to get on to it. Yeah. Wow. That is neat. How hot does it get in the summer? So I heard, like, could you walk this without being?
And we're now at Tower 1. As I said, there'll be a sway after we pass over.
Look at the trickle.
It's gonna sway a little bit. Yeah, it is scary.
Go stay in his house. Yeah. Well, I saw.
Look at the one that goes
Here, if you all look over here on my side of the cabin, just up on top of this hill right here, you'll see a rock sitting at a 45-degree angle. They called that one Cannon Rock, and it's just a little bit bigger than this tram car.
Whoa.
Look at that. Tell me where the rock is. Right there. Right there.
And on the cabin opposite side of me, that boulder sitting up on top of that small hill, they call that one Golf Ball Rock. It's about twice as big as this tram car.
Yeah. Yeah.
And on the cabin opposite side of me, this oval-shaped rock right here sitting on its side, they could call that one Fish Rock. A little bit of imagination, you may be able to see it.
Ah.
Fish Rock.
See it? Fish head, like old, like Leah. Like, yeah. It's like constellations. Yeah. You put this in my purse.
The original.
In the second.
About how many miles are you going to see? It's about 100, well that right there. here on my side of the cabin, just up in this canyon right here, you'll see what appears to be a stack of rocks sticking up in the air. It's actually one continuous rock from top to bottom, standing 7 stories tall. They call out total full figure. See that? It's just straight up there. Right
This way, yeah.
No, I'll be right back.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at the footprints through the. Oh.
How far you can see, is that a grill? How long is the cable?
I think I've been kind of the perfect That's awesome.
About 2 miles long. How long is the tram ride?
Oh, 14 minutes.
You know, I mean, how many miles? You said 1 point something miles or 2.7? 2.7 miles? Is that long for a tram? Wow. We're going almost 3 miles.
Look at that.
Look at this thing.
Incredible. Wow.
Now you can see the airport.
Be the ultimate base jump. You have rough land.
That's right.
Is that another one of the things that erupt
Yeah, look at.
or have erupted?
And we're now coming up to Tower 2. Again, there'll be another sway after we pass over.
A volcano.
Oh my gosh.
Get lost on the rocks.
Over that.
Oh my god.
Oh. Beautiful.
Way a little bit.
How beautiful.
Whoa, look at this, Ollie.
Oh my god.
Here they come. Look at you.
It's cool.
And if you all look out the front of the tram car, you'll see the other one heading our way. As we become parallel with them and mark our halfway point.
I love it. Coming over there.
You guys go ahead. I'm right here. Uncle Michael's with Mama. We're just looking down. Isn't it pretty? There goes another tram.
That was the halfway.
Look, it looks like it's gonna go right into the mountain.
That was the halfway point. This cable is all one.
We'll just be slowing down to allow the other tram car over the tower. So we're now at our highest point above ground, about
Yeah, that's what I thought.
950 feet. Or
Look how awesome that
7.8
light just ran.
seconds.
Look at those beautiful pines right below it.
How many seconds?
Pines, just a few of them right here. The green evergreen, hardcore. Climb over here next year and get a Christmas.
How high up are we?
About 950.
900 feet we're up right now.
So many things.
Got air back. How'd you get this job, man? I saw it in the newspaper.
Yeah.
And applied, and how many you doing? 3 months? Or like,
Well, that was
It's
fun.
not the cakewalk, huh? Ride this thing up and down all day, push buttons, get a speech, get paid. Nice. It's like living on vacation. Get to enjoy the view. This is my office all day. Great job.
And over here on my side of the cabin, this rock face that we're now passing. First person to climb it was the old name it, and that was Ego Boost, as you have an audience as you climb.
Wow. It's pretty cool.
I love it when you go around that. Oh, yeah.
So the rock climbers built these.
Uh-huh.
Those guys are nutcases, man. Every last one of them.
Rock climbers.
And this canyon that we're now passing through is called Echo Canyon. Has a natural running spring year round with the drought conditions.
I hope so.
You know me from last time. I'm sure she's right. That's all I have to say.
top of the mountain, you can see roughly 11,000 square miles
Hey,
in
Mom,
Mexico.
we coming.
It's about 9% of the state.
Hear that?
It's pretty amazing.
9,000 square miles.
11,000.
11,000.
It's about 120 miles in almost every direction. So that's incredible.
Never seen that. You're looking at almost the entire state.
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Looks like it's invented. Well, there's a fire over there.
Now you can see the runway.
I want to go to Colorado and ride the cogwheel train. You guys ever been up there?
Where is it?
The cog train?
It goes to the top of the mountain.
That's kind of a haul.
Is that cool? It is. Yeah, I'd recommend going up there in July. July? It's cold up there. In
Oh,
July,
I'm sure.
right now, it's probably gonna be as cold as this year. Between 2. So, maybe long pants.
Yeah.
Maybe.
I mean, the ones that are holding the cables together? Like the birds we used to draw as children up in the sky, like this? Yeah.
Always wanted to ride those antique buses.
If you all look over here on my side of the cabin, just up on top of this, the highest point at the edge, you may see a building up there. They call that Kiwanis Cabin. It was built as a shelter for China skiers and hikers here at the top of the mountains back in 1936.
So you're up
The
Kiwanis?
the highway.
They just made that out of the same limestone that's up there at the top.
That's the one. I've read about it. I've never been there yet.
Been there a couple times, but favorite place on the planet.
I lived in Montana for a while and I didn't get a chance to go.
Sometimes it's not that works.
There's one against the Grand Canyon too.
Been there like 6 times there.
Never really
see
seen
a wild animal. Those are retail cat.
We'll see it top there.
My grandma's looking for animals. I just think about
More early morning, later night.
Yeah,
Turning into
I couldn't believe that.